Ever found yourself wondering where all your crypto profits went when you tried to cash out on Uphold? You're not alone. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency exchange fees can feel like deciphering an ancient scroll, especially when it comes to withdrawals. So, the burning question on many Uphold users' minds is, just how much does Uphold actually charge to withdraw your hard-earned funds? That's precisely what we're diving into today. Forget the vague explanations and endless scrolling through their terms and conditions. We're going to break down Uphold's withdrawal fees in plain English, exploring the different factors that influence how much you'll ultimately pay. Now, Uphold operates a bit differently than some other exchanges. They don't have a simple, flat fee for every withdrawal method. Instead, the cost can vary depending on several key elements. Understanding these elements is crucial to minimizing those pesky charges and maximizing the amount of money that lands in your bank account or crypto wallet. One of the biggest factors influencing withdrawal fees is the currency or cryptocurrency you're trying to withdraw. For traditional fiat currencies like USD, Euro, or GBP, Uphold often partners with various banking networks and payment processors. This means the fees can differ based on your chosen withdrawal method, whether it's a bank transfer, debit card, or another supported option. You might find that one method incurs a small percentage-based fee, while another has a fixed charge. It's always worth checking the specific fees associated with each option within the Uphold platform before initiating your withdrawal. Similarly, when withdrawing cryptocurrencies, the fees aren't uniform across all digital assets. The network fees associated with each blockchain play a significant role. For example, withdrawing Bitcoin will involve paying the Bitcoin network transaction fee, which can fluctuate depending on network congestion. Uphold will typically add a small surcharge on top of this network fee. Different cryptocurrencies have different network fees, so withdrawing Ethereum will likely have a different cost than withdrawing Litecoin or XRP. Another important aspect to consider is the withdrawal destination. Are you sending funds to a bank account within the same country as your Uphold account, or are you making an international transfer? International withdrawals often come with higher fees due to the complexities of cross-border transactions and intermediary banks involved. Similarly, withdrawing crypto to an external wallet might have different fees compared to sending it to another Uphold user, which is often free. Furthermore, your account tier or verification level on Uphold could potentially influence withdrawal fees, although this is less common than the factors mentioned earlier. It's always a good idea to review the specific fee structure associated with your account type to ensure you're aware of any potential differences. So, how do you actually find out the exact fee for your specific withdrawal? The best way is to always check within the Uphold platform itself before confirming your transaction. When you initiate a withdrawal, Uphold should clearly display the associated fees before you finalize the request. Look for a breakdown of the charges, including any network fees and Uphold's processing fees. Don't just assume the fee will be the same as your last withdrawal, as network conditions and Uphold's fee structure can change. There's no single answer to the question of how much Uphold charges to withdraw. The cost depends on the specific currency or cryptocurrency, the chosen withdrawal method, the destination of your funds, and potentially your account type. Being proactive in checking the fees within the Uphold platform before each withdrawal is the key to avoiding any unwelcome surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.